Today we're going to be unboxing the NEARSTREAM VM20. It's a 4K live streaming camera. Everyone can make use of this bad boy here, and it also says it has a 10 times optical lossless zoom here and also 40 times hybrid zoom, which we are also going to be testing out in my full review video. And also it has the 4K Ultra HD image quality there, and then the 8 microphone there. The AI noise cancellation is one thing I can't wait to test out. I want to also test it out to do a real-time test on this particular AI noise cancellation, and also the up to 5-meter clear voice pickup. We're also going to be testing that in the full review video. Straight out from the box, you have this here, which is basically the foam that was used to cover the camera. I'm just going to toss that. And then the second one, you have the warranty card here, which is one thing I love. They also give you a warranty for their product, and on the back here, this way you fill in your information, and that is what comes inside the box. Put your information. You have the user manual here to guide you through on how you can be able to operate the camera and fully set it up. We're also going to be talking about some of the notable features like the AI noise cancellation, like I said before, everything in the full review video. So in case you haven't subscribed, smash that red subscribe button below and turn on the push notification. And also you have the quick start guide here to also guide you through on how you can be able to use the remote, which I'm also going to show you on how you can use the remote because it comes with its own remote as well. You also have this remote control here, which is one thing I love. This is a very portable remote. We're also going to be exploring some of the features and what you can do with this particular remote on the full review video. It comes with Type-C to Type-C connector here, as you can see on the screen, and that's one of the things that is also straight out from the box. And it comes with this Type-C to Type-C connector here that you can use to connect the camera direct to your PC without needing any capture card or video grabber at all. And also it has the HDMI output, which it doesn't come with that particular cable. You need to get it as well. But with the Type-C to Type-C here, you can be able to connect the camera direct to your system. They've considered those that their system does not have the Type-C here. They added the Type-C to USB converter, so you can be able to convert from Type-C to USB, and it works really fast, and you can still be able to use the camera on your system. So you just connect the Type-C, goes into the camera, and then the USB goes to your system. The camera here, and it's the NEARSTREAM VM20 4K live streaming camera. Now just smash that red subscribe button and stay tuned for the full unboxing video. And this is the back of the camera here, and look at this design. Isn't it sleek? Like, look how beautiful this thing is. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, so just smash that red subscribe button if you haven't, because I'm also going to be doing a full review video of this particular product, and we're going to be doing a real-time test with it for our live stream, both for church broadcasts and also personal broadcasts as well. We're going to be testing this out. So thank you very much, and see you on the full review video.